Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the shallow copy and the deep copy. We saw with a very simple example, right? Shallow copy with the object.async and deep copy with the structured clone. So today we'll be discussing about the async generators and for await of loops. So this concept is very important, and usually the people do ask about the shallow copy and the deep copy in the interviews, and they ask you to implement certain things within the code, right? The shallow copy or the deep copy. So I have clearly explained in the last video about the shallow copy and deep copy, and people might ask you the concept of for await of loops, basically by making use of the async generators, right? This is very important topic. Let's see what are async generators and for await of loops. So async generators basically yield promises. So generators yield promises mainly. Async generators yield promises as well, enabling the processing of asynchronous data streams using for await of this one. This is very important. Enabling the process of asynchronous data streams using for await of, right? Let's try to create the async generator. Simple example. Let's see. I'll quickly come here. Let me give here async function. These are generators, right? I'll just give here async generator. This one, within this one, I'll just give for let I equals 1, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. So here await new promise. Let's pass the parameter r. Let me give here set timeout. Within the set timeout, let me do one thing. Let me pass r and also 1 millisecond, nothing but 1000 milliseconds, nothing but 1 second here. So I hope this is clear. We are just simulating the delay over here, right? In simple terms, we'll be making use of yield. As we are dealing with the generators, we'll be making use of yield quite obviously, right? So this is it. Next, I'll just give here async. Let's make use of the arrow operator right here. So for await of, how we will make use of it, let's see. I'll just give here for await. This has to be AWA. Sorry, I had misspelled here, right? So this is fine. Here const, or let me give let here instead of const. Yeah, let value of this one. The function name is async generator, right? Let's pass the value. We are getting the value of the async generator from the async generator function. So let me quickly log something here. I'll just give console log of. Let's pass the value. So we have considered value, right, within the for. Yeah. So this has to log 1, 2, 3 with certain delays, as we are dealing with the IFE, IIFE, or immediately invoked function expression. So we have to give here this one parenthesis. So this one, don't forget, also parenthesis with the semicolon. So this one, what I'll do, while we are trying to log the value, right, from the async generator by making use of for await of, we can clearly see here. So we have to get the output 1, 2, 3 with delays. Let's try running the code. So you can clearly see we are getting the output 1, 2, 3 with a certain delay, right? So what is happening here, I'll quickly explain. The generator yields this one. Generator yields, the generator yields values asynchronously processed sequentially by this one for await of. You can clearly see this one, right? So the generator yields values asynchronously processed sequentially by for await of. I hope this concept is completely clear. You can clearly see here the output that we are getting is 1, 2, 3 after a certain delay. So the concept of this one, uh, creating an asynchronous generator is completely clear, I hope. So next, let's see one more example how to how to read a stream or reading a stream. So let me quickly delete this one. I'll just make use of let's go with a complex example somewhat. So let me give here async. We are going with a generator, right? So let me make use of the star here. Let me give here stream reader. So I'll just give the function name stream reader. This will be relevant for this example, right? So we are going with a reading a stream. So let me pass the parameter stream here. So quickly let me give here const a reader equals stream dot, we have the function get reader. So I'll just give here get reader function. So what shall I do here? I'll just make use of the variable name done. Let's assign this one to false, right? So while not done, then what I'll do, let's pass the value and let's set the done to stream done. So here let me give stream, let me pass this one to stream done. So this is automatically not getting closed, right? Why? This is fine. We have set the done to stream done. And let me give this one to, let's assign this one to reader dot read. Read is a function here. So we are assigning this one to reader dot read by making use of await. So again here, this has to be a await. This is fine. Next, what I'll do, let's make use of the if condition. If stream done, then let's break out of this. Else we will yield the what will be yielding the value, right? So I hope this is clear till here. Next, let's go with the uh, hmm, for await, right? So let's again I'll be making use of the immediately invoke functional expression, right? I'll just give here ify. So here let me pass this one quickly. I'll just give here const text. Let me make use of the variable text and let me give text encoder dot encode. Let me pass something bh Bharadwaj. Let me give Bharadwaj, right? Const. Let me make use of this variable stream and let's create the new readable stream. Let me give here the readable stream. So within this, oh, this has to be const, right? So okay, this is fine. Let me pass start. Within start, I'll just pass the controller. So what shall I give here? Let me consider each text. Let me make use of the for each here, right? So here I'll just give an individual character in the text. Let me consider text as char as the parameter, individual characters in the text. So I'll just pass controller over here. Let's make use of enq of char. Nothing but we are pushing the individual character, right? So next line, what we will do, we will close the controller. So I'll just make use of controller dot close over here. So I hope this is clear. The code is somewhat a little big, but it is very easy to understand. So now we will go with the for await of, right? So I'll just give here for await let chunk of what we have considered here, stream reader, right? So I'll just give here stream reader of, we need to pass string. So this one, let's pass string here. This one, stream reader function name, right? That's what we are doing here. We have the parameter stream. That's what I am passing over here. I hope this is clear. Next, within this one, let's log something. I'll quickly come here and give. So yeah, console log of string. Let me make use of the from char code, right? And let me pass chunk. So if I try running the code, what output we need to get? We have to get this one as a in the form of readable chunks, right? BHARADWAJ, that I have to get, B in the single line, H in the next line till J. That's what the output that I need to get. Let's try running the code. So we are getting program did not output anything, right? Let's see what I have done wrong. So what mistake I have done here is, we are making use of the if right here. I forgot to pass this one parenthesis over here with the semicolon, right? So now let's try to run the code again. So we are seeing the characters in the chunks, right? So BHARADWAJ Bharadwaj. We are getting the correct output, right? So here I hope the concept of this one, async generators and for await of loops, is completely clear. First we saw how to create an async generator with a simple example. Now we can clearly see here how we are seeing how to make use of the async generators along with the for await of for reading the stream. So I hope the concept is completely clear. Next, let's try to let's discuss on the advanced type coercion, right, in the JavaScript. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.